Well, boys and girls, for today's Sunday Fun Day, we are going to go and pick up something that I absolutely do not need, that I've had for a long time now. Completely forgot that I had it, and until a buddy reminded me that I had it, because it was sitting in his yard for the last couple of years. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, grab some and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. And as promised, Harbor Freight. You missed trust. What's right? All right, let's go get that trailer. So my dumbass left the house and completely forgot the key element that I need to get this thing taken care of. So gotta run all the way back to the house to pick it up, and then we're gonna go get the trailer because I'm an idiot. So bear with me. Alright, got the trailer all hooked up. Probably should throw a pin in there. Make moves. All right, we are here. So we're gonna assess this thing and what's left of it and see how we can get this up on the trailer. And if you guessed it, you are correct. We have another Ford Ranger. Yeah, I've had this thing for a long time. The interior is actually not too bad besides the dash. You can kind of tell it's been sitting rotting away, but the seats are okay. I mean, that one's got a little bit of a tear. The center console's already blue. The back end is all there. Everything's probably pretty much seized up because it's been sitting here in the open. But the back's all blue, and then it's got this cool headliner I might try and reuse, but for the most part, it's all here. A bunch of surface rust. I'll probably end up turning it into a pre-runner, or I'll just daily drive it and use it for window cleaning. It's got the nice steel bumpers on it. Bed's still here. Tailgate's right there. I don't know where the doors are. I had doors for it, but I don't know what I did with them. So, yeah, let's see what we can do to get this thing on here. And also, it's also another cool part. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Used to have a cowl hood, but somehow that came up missing, or at least a fake cowl hood. But it's got a complete 2.9 MAF system. Looks like the cables are still kind of there. I got some fuel. I'm thinking I might try and... What's going on here? Oh yeah, AC compressor's off of it. Maybe I can pull that belt and get this on the fire. I don't know. Let's see. We'll try. Alright, so let's do a fluid check to see if it's even got any fluid in it, or at least if it's... Alright, we got a ground cable. I need to make up a power and then clean out that tank, put some fuel in it, and see if we can get it to fire. Alright, so here's my idea. I have the power cable from the winch on the trailer And the winch up there was already cut. So no, I didn't cut it, but it was already cut. And I'm going to tap it onto that solenoid there, hook this side up to the battery, hook the ground up, and we shall see what it does. I don't know if it's gonna work, but in a pinch, gotta make do with what you got. So let's give it a shot. Maybe it's Guatemala. No, it's not Guatemala. Let's try this one. It's not that one. Let's try the other Guatemala. Let's see. One of these things. See if maybe I just need some persuasion. Okay, so it doesn't need a key. Well, apparently I don't need a f***ing key for this thing. That's good to know. Okay. Alright, engine turns over. It's a good sign. Let's I guess let's clean out that thing back there and see if we can get it to run. That'll do it. got it home, as you guys can tell. But it is windy as outside, and I am not gonna continue doing this today. So we're gonna leave this thing on the trailer for now and figure out what we're gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna junk it or if I want to throw some over fenders on it, or some fenders and some bed sides, and do a set of coil buckets and everything else and make it my pre-runner truck, or if I want to put a 302 in it and V8 swap it and daily drive it, or make it a drag truck. I don't know, who knows. We'll figure that out when we get there. But as for right now, I'm gonna go inside, get some food in my stomach, and get out of this wind. So, see ya.